All right, guys, now that we have our custom fields and our pipeline set up, it's time to talk about your database. What we want to do is we want to start out your account with the strongest foundation possible. And the one way that we can do that is to get all of your records, your entire database from every source possible in one location, right? Inside your account. At that point, your CRM, whatever you want to call it, your CRM, your marketing platform, whatever you want to call it, HighLevel becomes the most valuable platform that you've ever used. And that's just with one commitment that has nothing to do with the technology of HighLevel, right? And so the value of your database is massive. What makes it even more valuable than it's ever been? Well, in HighLevel, you have the ability to create an entire ecosystem. You have your social media planner. You have your website and funnel builder with tracking built into them so that you can see when customers are engaging with your content. You've got the ability to create memberships. You have the ability to create courses. You have email, text, phone. Every possible way that you could want to market your business is in one location for the first time ever. And so what does that do? It increases the value of your database, and it increases the value of a commitment to getting all of your database in one spot for the first time. And this is why, before going any further, that you need to commit to at least having 80% of your database, right, together, and then making sure that that other 20%, right? And what am I talking about? Well, we move mortgage companies. Sometimes we move mortgage companies unexpectedly. In the mortgage industry, a lot of the times we get locked out of our database when that happens. And so we don't, or maybe we lost the CSV file or something, right? There's all sorts of reasons why loan officers fail to keep and maintain their database, but there are ways that you can get caught up. There are ways that you can get back to a point of having your database in one spot. Now, granted, with rates fluctuating as much as they have over the last 10, 15 years, some of those older entries aren't going to be as valuable if you haven't stayed in touch with them. But anybody that you've done business with in the last couple of years, you should be committed to finding their information and making sure that you have it uploaded in your database and reopening a line of communication with them, because you now have the ability to invite them into your ecosystem and keep them there through all these tools that HighLevel has to offer. So with that, make sure that you get at least 80% of your database together before moving forward with this section, so that you can get the most out of it. Thank you so much for watching, for being here. We'll see you on the other side.